Happy Tuesday, friends. All right, so you guys are going to, I'll post your drops in the bucket right up here. It'll be a separate assignment, so you guys can go ahead and do that. Okay, you don't have to do that by yourself. Remember, you can get a teacher to help you. Okay, like we've been doing, I'm trying to put all of your links inside one slideshow to make it a little bit easier. This one looks a little funky today because instead of doing two slideshows, I wanted to fit it all in one. So let me read this to you because it's kind of tricky. So you're gonna fit your angles in here that are less than 90 or greater than 90. Remember, a right angle is exactly 90 degrees, and we're gonna work with right angles today. So I wanted us to review that things can be smaller than 90 degrees and things can be bigger than 90 degrees. And that really makes a difference. Remember that less than 90 degrees is called an acute little angle. Well, it's just called an acute angle. And anything greater than 90 is an obtuse angle. It's big and loose. It's obtuse. So if we look at, let me zoom in a little bit. If we look at this first one, letter A, I'll zoom in even more for you guys. Okay. This one is bigger than 90. It's big and loose. So that's going to be greater than 90. Okay, I'm not going to go, oh, this one, letter C right here. Remember, it's less than the corner of a square. So that's less than 90. Okay, what I'm also going to do is I'm also going to add some, Bennett is talking on the monitor. I'm going to add a text box right here that says acute and make a little border around that. Oh, yeah, boy, stop talking. And how does that look? That look good? All right, and then we'll put the obtuse on this side. All right. Now you guys can look at the definition too. Easier, maybe. I don't know, do what you want. But you're just gonna sort those on that side. Your second activity for today, remember, you're only gonna watch. I put a note here. You only have to watch until minute 2 and 20 seconds. So you don't have to watch the whole video. I know this guy talks fast, so you can always pause it and rewatch it. But don't watch the whole video. You'll start it at 2 minutes and 20 seconds tomorrow, and you'll watch the second half tomorrow. Okay, so go do that now, pause, and come back. All right, so you're back, you've just watched your video. This says identifying triangles that are right triangles. So like we learned, a right triangle is a triangle with a right angle. Super easy. And remember, a right angle is 90 degrees. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these circles and we're gonna circle any of the angles here that have 90 degrees because that means they are a right triangle. So I see this one here has 90 degrees written right here. This angle is 55, 35, and 90. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a circle around this triangle. I know it's not perfect, and that's okay. Your teachers know what you're doing, okay? We know that you're trying your best, okay? So you're gonna pause your video and watch the rest and do the rest of this. And now we're gonna do acute triangles. Remember, acute triangles are a triangle that has 3 acute angles. That means it has to have less than 90 degrees on every side. As long as it has less than 90 degrees on every side, it's an acute triangle. So this one's 65, which is less than 90, 85, which is less than 90, and 30 degrees, which is less than 90. So I'm going to drag one of my circles over here and put it around that triangle because that's an acute triangle. Okay, so you're going to pause the video and finish that page. And now you're back. Now we're going to find an obtuse triangle. Remember, an obtuse triangle is any triangle with an obtuse angle. An obtuse angle is bigger than 90 degrees. So any triangle that has one angle that's bigger than 90 degrees. Okay, so if I look here, this one has 42 degrees, 100 degrees, and 38 degrees. Which angle here is more than 90 degrees? Yeah, 100. So you're going to put your circle, again, not a beautiful circle, but it'll work, around the triangle that is obtuse. It has one big and loose angle, okay? So that's what you're doing for today for math. And when you're done with that, you could check in with the teacher in Zoom if you have any questions. But that's all you have, plus your drops in the bucket. Good job, friends.